Hi guys, hope you are doing great today. And today we're going to be making a Flutter sleeve, and all you have to do is fold your fabric in a triangle form like this, and we're going to be getting our armhole on this fabric. Now my armhole divided by 2 is 8 inches, and I am going to add ½ inch for joining my sleeve. Okay, now what you have to do is mark your cap height. To get your cap height, it is your bust divided by 12 plus ½ inch. That is how you get your cap height. Now we're going to connect our bust curve, our armhole curve, sorry. Now once you have connected that, all you have to do is start adding your ½ inch allowance for joining to your fabric, for joining your armhole to your fabric. Okay, now once you've gotten that, you're going to take the length you want for your sleeve, and the length I am going for is 12 plus 1 inch for hemming allowance. That makes it 13. As you can see, I am taking my mark from the highest point of my armhole curve. Now once you are done connecting the lines, you're going to cut out, and once you are done, you would have your beautiful sleeve. As you can see, isn't this very simple and easy, guys? Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, guys, and I will see you in another tutorial. See ya.